Hi there and welcome to the SCI Intellisys Conference 2015. We are looking into artificial intelligence here and intelligent systems. A lot of interesting stuff going on here, looking into what these kind of things will bring to our society. If you're interested, go to the Intellisys 2015 website or sign up to the YouTube channel SCI Conference. With me, Anton, Ivaschenko. You've been doing a poster session.
Right.
What was the session about?
That was a work which we have started recently, and the main goal of it is to develop a special solution for Multiagent software for sensor networks. The feature of these networks is that in case the sensors are moving and changing their location, there is a number of problems that should be solved with them. And I think that multi-agent technology is the best that can treat with it and that can solve such kind of problems.
Could you give me an example of these moving sensors? Where in life are they applied?
Right. So, well, we have started with medical solutions, working with the development of the so-called intelligent hospital ward solutions, when there are a number of sensors that are placed on different patients and different medical equipment in order to monitor how all these procedures are carried out. So in case patients are moving across the ward and in case the equipment is moved as well, so we have come to a concept which is called the moving sensors, the sensors that change their position. And we need some special software to deal with it. So that was initially the problem.
Okay, but when I'm in hospital, maybe now I have to stay in my bed because I can't move. And in future, because of your work, I will be able to move around the hospital, go and watch television somewhere, and the sensors will still work.
Right, and well, that's actually the problem, that you won't need assistance of medical personnel, and in case you need this assistance, then they will be informed by handheld devices in time that you need this assistance. So you know that we are working in touch cooperation with Samara State Medical University, which has own clinics and has such kind of a problem that we need to work with a larger number of patients and with a smaller number of medical personnel. And so this solution helps to deal with it. So that's a kind of social problem.
So the work you're doing, is it in progress or already perfect finished solution?
Well, let me say it is in the middle of the work. So currently we have produced several devices that can be used for different purposes. For example, the drop counter, which is used for intravenous infusion, and it is successfully used. But also we have produced the so-called SDK, software development kit, which can be used for further developments and for further devices. And I think that in a year or so, we will be ready to submit an extended paper with the results.
Okay, with the results. Going towards the actual results, what is your biggest challenge that you're facing?
Well, there are actually the variety of types and the variety of protocols of different devices that need to cooperate with each other. That's actually the problem for multi-agent technology in general, that we need to deal with different formats, with different data, and actually we need to deal with big data, which is also a challenging problem nowadays. So I think that that's on the top of all our progress, and I think that that's a very interesting problem to solve. So I like it very much.
Yeah, I can tell by your face. Earlier on you said that you thought that multi-agent was the best way to go, the best solution. Why do you think so?
Well, I have some experience of working with multi-agent systems and technologies. I've been working for almost 10 years with Magenta Technology, a developer of multi-agent systems for transportation logistics, for taxis, for car rental, and so on. Currently, I'm a university guy, so I'm working in Samara Space University, and I need to look for new ways of application of these forthcoming science in different areas. And it's very interesting because because you know that when you have some industrial experience of applicating something and you want to summarize, to generalize, and to use it, that's kind of theoretical work. And at last you have some time to think of new ideas and to spend time for it, which is very nice. I think that the agents and multi-agent technology is a very good trend, and it is rather old. So lots of applications in this area prove that we need to that it works. Okay. And we need to look for new ways. But there are millions of problems, so I think that it is very good to solve them.
What is your big dream?
I should say to participate in your conferences.
Okay, yes, you should. Thank you. And apart from that, in the field that you're working on, what is it that you want to achieve?
There are usual challenges and usual questions for agents that some of the people say that they are intelligent, and the problem is that we need to prove that we need to find these real intelligence, like in science fiction and so on. So I think that there will be a moment of time when there will be a real working multi-agent system which will be act as a human being in reality, and that will be a new level for everyone. And I think that if we participate in such kind of projects, that will be a very good honor for us. So that's probably the dream.
And if your dream comes true, how will that influence our lives?
I think that will be some new world when we will be able to communicate not only with each other, but with camera, with microphone, with table, with everything, with every unit around us, and it will be very good. But we will have new problems, and
absolutely
need to find new solutions.
Okay, thank you. So new solutions and new problems. The future, artificial intelligent systems. Interesting stuff. If you want to know more, please go to the SCI Intellisys conference websites or sign up to the SCI conference YouTube channel. Thank you.